Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fire TV Expert. In today's video, I'll show you how to install ARVIO on your FireStick using a fast and working downloader code with the new FireStick interface. If you're looking for a modern media hub with a clean interface, smooth remote navigation, and plenty of useful features, then ARVIO is definitely one you'll want to check out. I'll take you through the complete installation process from start to finish, including how to find downloader, enable the required permission, enter the ARVIO code, and install the app properly on your FireStick. Plus, I'll also spend a little more time going over ARVIO's top features, because this app offers more than just a basic media player. It can bring different media sources, watch lists, profiles, catalogs, and playback features together in one TV-friendly interface. And as always, I'll explain why I won't be opening the app fully during this tutorial due to YouTube policy guidelines. So, let's jump in and get started. From your FireStick home screen, move to the top, then move right and select Search. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type Downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your remote supports voice commands, you can simply say Downloader and the app will appear. Once Downloader shows up in the search results, move to the right and select it. Now, click on the orange Downloader icon and press the Download button using the center button on your remote. Give it a few seconds to install. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection. After Downloader is installed, we need to allow it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Go back to the home screen, move to the left and select the bar, then scroll down and select Settings. Now scroll right and click on My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry. Click on About, then press your FireStick name 7 times until you see a message confirming that Developer Options are enabled. Press the back button, open Developer Options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using a FireStick 4K Max or a newer Fire TV device, the layout may look slightly different. In that case, just make sure permission is enabled for the Downloader app. Once that's done, your device is ready to install third-party apps safely. Now that everything is set up, let's open Downloader. Go back to the home screen. Scroll down and find the Downloader and open it. When you launch it for the first time, allow the required permissions and click OK. Before we install ARVIO, let me quickly tell you why this app has been getting attention. ARVIO is designed as a media hub for Android TV and Fire TV, with a modern interface that's built specifically around remote control navigation. Instead of making you jump between different apps and services, ARVIO is designed to bring multiple sources and media libraries together in one organized home screen. One of the biggest highlights is its clean, horizontal row interface. It feels familiar if you've used other modern TV streaming interfaces, but it's built with the FireStick remote in mind, so moving between sections and selecting content is straightforward. ARVIO also supports multiple profiles, allowing different users to maintain their own viewing progress and watch lists. You can also use features such as continue watching, watch lists, and tracked integration to keep track of what you're watching. Another useful feature is its catalog support. ARVIO can work with services and catalogs such as Tracked and MDB List, while also supporting connections to personal media servers including Plex, MV, and Jellyfin. For users who already have compatible media sources configured, ARVIO can provide a single interface for accessing them instead of constantly switching between different applications. The app also includes subtitle and audio options, autoplay functionality, watch progress, and a TV-focused player experience. Its playback capabilities include support for common video and audio formats, with HDR and Dolby Vision support depending on the capabilities of the FireStick or other device being used. So if you're someone who likes having your media organized in one place, ARVIO has quite a few features worth exploring. Now we're ready for the installation. Click on the search bar by pressing the center button to bring up the keyboard. Now enter the ARVIO downloader code exactly as shown: 723-3181. After entering the code, click Go. The ARVIO download page will now load on your FireStick. Give the page a few seconds to load completely. The APK will now begin downloading. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, click Install. Give your FireStick a few moments while ARVIO installs completely. After installation is finished, click Done, then delete the APK file to free up storage space. Select Delete and confirm Delete again. Now, before opening the app, I highly recommend using a VPN. Using a VPN helps protect your privacy, keeps your connection secure, and can help avoid region-related access issues. I personally recommend NordVPN. NordVPN allows you to change your virtual location, protects your streaming activity, and helps prevent tracking or throttling from your internet provider. To install NordVPN, go back to the search option, type NordVPN, and download it directly from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open NordVPN, sign in, and connect to a secure server before using third-party apps. You'll find the NordVPN link in the video description. If you'd like to check it out, feel free to use the link below. Now, let's take a look at ARVIO. Go back to the home screen and scroll down to the bottom of the list. You'll find ARVIO there. Now, I won't be opening the app fully in this video due to YouTube policies and to avoid any potential strikes. However, I can give you a more detailed overview of its interface and features. ARVIO offers a modern, TV-focused interface with horizontal rows that make browsing comfortable using the FireStick remote. One of its main advantages is the ability to organize different sources into one central interface. Depending on what you connect, you can bring together compatible catalogs, personal media servers, watch lists, and other sources instead of managing everything separately. The app supports Plex, MV, and Jellyfin, so users with their own media libraries can access those libraries through the ARVIO interface. It also supports tracked integration for watch history, watch lists, and continued viewing progress. ARVIO also includes multi-profile support, which can be useful if more than one person uses the same FireStick. Each profile can maintain its own viewing activity and preferences. Another nice feature is Continue Watching, which makes it easier to jump back into something you were already watching instead of searching for it again. The player also supports multiple subtitle and audio tracks, while playback features such as autoplay and quality options help provide a more convenient viewing experience. And because ARVIO is designed specifically for TV-style navigation, the overall interface is built around remote controls rather than feeling like a phone app stretched onto a television. That makes the browsing experience feel clean, organized, and easy to understand. And that's it. You've successfully installed ARVIO on your FireStick using the latest downloader code and the new FireStick interface. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Fire TV Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss future FireStick tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.